Hey there, Buy Smart Squad! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchases without breaking the bank. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown for you. The RADCLO mini drone versus the Foxshank brushless motor drone. On the left, we have the RADCLO mini drone, and on the right, the Foxshank brushless motor drone. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price. The RADCLO mini drone is a steal at just $62. But don't let that low price fool you. It's packed with features. Meanwhile, the Foxshank brushless motor drone is slightly pricier at $119. So if you're ballin' on a budget, RADCLO's got your back. But if you're ready to splurge a bit, Foxshank might be up your alley. Next, let's dive into camera quality. RADCLO boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens, perfect for catching all your backyard shenanigans. Foxshank, on the other hand, ups the ante with a 1080p HD camera that's 135 degrees, motorized adjustable. That's right, folks, you can change angles mid-flight. Reviewers noted that RADCLO's camera is good for the price, though not high-end, while Foxshank's camera captures decent pictures but has shaky video quality. Now, ease of use. The RADCLO mini drone is like that friend who always has your back. One key takeoff and landing, stable altitude hold, and it practically flies itself. Reviewers appreciated how easy it was for beginners. Foxshank isn't far behind with similar features, but it's got the added bonus of optical flow positioning. This makes it a bit more advanced, but still manageable for newbies. Reviewers found Foxshank easy to use, even for beginners. Battery life. RADCLO comes with two 800 mAh batteries that give you a total flight time of 22 minutes. Reviewers noted the short battery life, but appreciated the two batteries included. Foxshank doesn't specify its battery life, but reviewers mentioned getting almost 20 minutes of flight time. It better last longer for that extra price tag. No one wants their drone falling out of the sky mid-selfie, am I right? Special features time. RADCLO has high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flips, and even gesture control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Foxshank, not to be outdone, offers fast flight with a max speed of 40 kilometers per hour, level 4 wind resistance, and custom path flight. It's like the Fast and Furious but in the sky. Reviewers enjoyed RADCLO's fun features, while Foxshank's advanced features were praised for their robustness. And finally, customer support. RADCLO offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and even a money-back service. Reviewers appreciated RADCLO's durability and customer support. Foxshank didn't mention anything specific, but reviewers had mixed experiences with their support, some praising it and others frustrated by it. Let's hope you don't need to call them while your drone is stuck in a tree. Online reviews suggest that the RADCLO mini drone is a great budget-friendly option that's easy to use and durable, though it struggles in windy conditions. Foxshank brushless motor drone gets points for its advanced features and decent battery life, but its customer support and video quality have room for improvement. So there you have it, folks. The RADCLO mini drone is your go-to if you're on a budget and want a feature-packed, easy-to-use drone. The Foxshank brushless motor drone is your choice if you're looking for something a bit more advanced with faster speeds and better wind resistance. Remember, the best drone is the one that fits your needs and your wallet. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until then, fly high and buy smart.